As we enter the Lenten season, it's the perfect time for Catholics and fish lovers alike to find new recipes for the dinner table. Today, Howard shows us how to make sour cream crowned fish fillets in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With today being Ash Wednesday, Christians around the world are receiving ashes to recognize the beginning of Lent. And beyond the many observances that take place during this time, many of you will be eating a lot more fish. So to help keep things exciting, we came up with a new fish dish that I know you're going to love. We start off by cutting about 1.5 pounds of fish fillets into individual portions. Or even easier, you can buy them pre-portioned from the freezer case. We lay them on a baking dish and set them aside for a sec while we mix together some sour cream, Parmesan cheese, paprika, and a little salt and pepper. Now, we spoon this over each fillet and finish them off with a bit of Italian breadcrumbs. This is going to add a ton of flavor. Right before popping these in the oven, we drizzle on some melted butter, and that's it. And if you're wondering what's the best fish to use, we like a mild whitefish like cod, haddock, or farm-raised catfish. When this comes out of the oven piping hot, you'll get the creaminess of the sour cream blended with the Parmesan, which is one amazing combo. It's so good, I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our sour cream crown fish fillets, so you'll have a new way to keep things interesting. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a flavor-packed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.